Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Today in this video we are going to learn about Golgi complex. In my earlier video we have already learnt about endoplasmic reticulum. Now we are going to see what Golgi complex is. In a cell you find all these parts. As you can see in the above slide, you find cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole, lysosome, cytoplasm, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. So these are the cell parts and cell organelles which are important for a cell function, right? We are going to see Golgi body or Golgi complex, or we can even call as Golgi apparatus. Okay, so Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, it is nothing but a complex of vesicles and folded membranes within the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells which are involved in secretion and intracellular transport. As you can see, there are several folded structures or membranes which are found in the above slide. You can see in the image of the Golgi body. So Golgi body, it was first observed by Camillo Golgi, who observed this organelle in the year 1898 with the help of compound microscope. So the finer structure of Golgi body could be observed only under the electron microscope. This Camillo Golgi is the scientist who have discovered about Golgi body for the first time, and this organelle is also made up of several membranes. These membranes, they will create a sac-like structures around which many fluid-filled vesicles are bounded together. The protein and other substances which are produced in the ribosome, it will reaches the Golgi body through these vesicles. Here the substances can even slightly change, like they can slightly alter, and these Golgi bodies are very important in the secretion and transport. If you see the function of the Golgi body, in one sense the function of the Golgi body is to pack various substances before they are transported to other parts of the cell. From there the substances are either sent towards the cell membrane or to another organelle like lysosome. After reaching the cell membrane, these substances, they are separated from the cell, and sometimes even they are used to regenerate or repair the membrane. So these are all the functions which are done by the Golgi body. And even as we speak about the Golgi body or Golgi complex, its structure and appearance you can see in the above image, and the number of Golgi body, it will vary from cell to cell. Their number is particularly large in those cells that secrete hormones and enzymes, because Golgi apparatus has its main function in secretion. So because of this, they are large in those cells that secrete hormones and enzymes. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it meaningful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so as to get all my latest updates.